Number 10. Hyacinth macaw. Wild birds that inhabit the forest include the hyacinth macaw. They swarm together in pairs and have strong winds. They draw people in due of their attractive appearance and vocal talent.
Number 9. Wood duck. Up to 15 eggs can be laid by female wood ducks. They were close to going extinct from hunting. They perch in trees and birth there. The most vividly colored ducks are male wood duck. Number 8. Bohemian waxwings. Bohemian waxwings breed in open evergreen and mixed forests, frequently near lakes, ponds, or streams in northern North America.
Number 7. Blue jay. Blue jays are bright and extremely adaptable birds that live their entire lives in forests. They are a common and noisy sight near many bird feeders in North America. Number 6. Costa's hummingbird. A masculine adult Costa's hummingbirds have a green back, a green waistcoat, and a purple gorget that is iridescent. Females and young birds have a greenish upperpart coloration with a white forehead band and whitish underparts. Number 5. Keel-billed toucan. Large, mostly black, and with a very long, multicolored bill, the keel-billed toucan is a bird. It has blue legs, yellow face and throat, green skin around the eyes and lower, the area between the eyes and the bill, red and white coverts underneath and on top of its tail, and green skin. Number 5. Peacock. Beautiful peafowl species like peacocks are frequently found in zoos. Colorful tail feather development in peacocks takes years. They're the national bird of India. Number 3. Flamingos. Flamingos typically only lay one egg per year and are monogamous. The development of flamingos' pink and red feathers takes roughly 3 years. The Bahamas' national bird is the flamingo. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. The range of the scarlet macaw is vast but somewhat dispersed. The term macaws refers to a group that includes scarlet macaws. They are the largest species of parrot and are capable of mimicking human speech. Number 1. Silver pheasant. It is a stunning, huge, white pheasant that may reach a height of 125 centimeters, with naked red facial skin, black below, and red legs. The male is ornamented with a black falling crest on its crown and a white, long, striped tail. To develop the entire male plumage, at least 2 years are required. Thanks for watching our video.